Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and in this video we are going to review the best scalping and intra trading strategy that is available on YouTube, and only few of the subscribers are using it. Otherwise most of the traders do not know about this strategy, right? So let's get started with the video, and this video is going to be very special. The first indicator that we will be using in this strategy is Apollo Parabolic SAR. This strategy is based definitely on Parabolic SAR. You know, there are a lot of points on the Parabolic SAR. So this is by Zekis Edward _ Z is the author. Okay, so I have attached on my screen. So this looks pretty fine on the screen. It basically shows us up and down trend. Okay, but this is not enough. We are going to use the second indicator that is called moving average exponential, because we would like to trade with the trend. So I'm going to the settings of the moving average exponential and giving it a yellow color, and then going into inputs. So instead of 9 I would like to choose 200. So 200 period works really best. Okay, the third indicator that I will be using in this strategy is relative strength index without any author. You cannot see any author name here, so we basically need a simple one, right? Okay, so this indicator is going to help out us into the fake breakouts. That's why I'm going to change its settings. So we do not want to change anything inside the inputs. However, if we go to the style section, we are going to just keep RSI and RSI middle band and rest uncheck all others. You can see RSI and RSI middle band, and then I'm going to give a yellow color to the RSI middle band, and that's okay. And you can see the 50 period RSI is available on my screen in the form of yellow color. Okay, so now let's get started with the strategy. The strategy is itself very powerful and very simple. So why I have added the 200 EMA that you can see in the form of a yellow line? That's very simple, because we want to trade with the trend, not against the trend, right? Okay, now let's have a look. So first of all, if you look at this signal that we have the uptrend. Okay, so here you can see that already the market crossed the 50 line, and it was already at the top of the 50 line. So what happened? We have received the uptrend. Okay, so we will also look on the RSI 50 period line. It should be above, or it should be crossing for the uptrend, but you can see it's above, so it already crossed, so don't worry about it. Uptrend, and you can see a very good trade that has appeared on USD JPY. Okay, now let's talk about the fake signals that we receive on the Apollo Parabolic SAR indicator. So you can see it has provided us a downtrend, but if you look at the RSI line didn't cross the 50 period line. And also one more thing, that the second confirmation, why to go into the downward trend when you are above the 200 EMA. So it means that's a fake signal. The next signal come into the upward trend. The RSI was above the 50 period already, and you can see if you have taken a trade for the scalping purpose, it was very good. Okay, similarly again the downtrend, and you can see we do not have a RSI crossing the 50 yellow line, so again the signal get changed. So here this is the point where most of the beginner traders get trapped, because they are mostly trading against the trend, and you can see immediately the signal get changed, and you get a uptrend signal, and you can see USD JPY is already up. Okay, so similarly look at this condition. Okay, now look at this point here. We have a crossover that the RSI crossed this one, but you need to wait here that either it is going to close below the 200 EMA or not. But if you look at these two candles, they were still closed above the 200 EMA, so it means that still we are into the trend. And later on you can see here we will take our entry somewhere here we have a buy signal. The second confirmation, the market was above the 200 EMA and RSI was crossing the 50 level, and you can see a very good boost. So if we are going to calculate this one, like for example long position at this level, for example if we have taken the entry from here, set up the stop loss at the previous low, so you can simply see that how we were able to catch 2.25 ratio from a simple trade. So guys, these are the pro methods that I'm teaching you, that they work very good, they work very well. And even if you look at the other charts, for example, this is the AUDJPY 15-minute chart. So basically, let me tell you about the story of the parabolic SAR. It's basically a aggressive indicator. Okay, so you know that maybe you will not find very big rides, so you can use this indicator for trading on 15-minute and on the lower time frames for the scalping purpose. But overall, you can see that it is giving you 3 to 4 candles, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and like here already given you 2 candles on the uptrend. And this is how you can get the best benefit by using this one. And even it works pretty well on gold as well, right? Okay, right now you can see what's happening on gold. We have a downtrend signal. The market, the RSI line is below the 50 period, and you can see that even the down is working, the ups are not working, and the market is below the 200 EMA. So guys, this indicator is very useful. Please attach it on your screen. And one more thing, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, and I have never any problems with the withdrawals, and this is the regulated broker. The link is given in the description of this video. So I personally believe that from the support of my subscribers, the comments that I see, I believe that you guys like the strategies. So if you like the strategies, please do not forget to press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this strategy with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.